Hi there, this is Sogan. Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I want to teach you the pattern of an Irish crochet puff stitch lace flower tutorial for beginners. You can attach this flower to a key holder. Please give me your full attention. So let's see. Start with the magic ring. Chain 1. Then stretch it. Yarn over and pull up loop. Yarn over and pull up loop 3 times, and the last time yarn over, pull through all loops, chain 1, yarn over and pull up loop 4 times to crochet a puff stitch, yarn over and pull up loop, yarn over, pull through all loops, chain 1. Please crochet 12 puff stitches in this ring. I crochet 12 puff stitches, then make a slab stitch. Pull yarn tail to tighten. Please crochet another puff stitch circle the same size as this one. Chain 1, cut the yarn off, then hide your yarn. I crocheted another puff stitch circle, then connect these two puff stitch circles together. You should have 24 stitches from each circle. Join a stitch from the first circle to a stitch from the second circle with a single crochet. This one, other circle, then make a single crochet. At the end of the row, make a slab stitch. Chain 1, cut the yarn off. Take your another yarn, make a slip knot, then pull through one stitch, chain 3, 1, 2, 3. Yarn over, insert your hook into the another stitch and pull up loop, yarn over and pull up loop 3 times, 4 times, 5, 6, 7, and the last time. Yarn over, pull through all loops, chain 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Then make a slip stitch in next stitch and repeat 1, 2, 3 chains, yarn over and pull up loop into the next stitch, yarn over and pull up loop twice, 3 times, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 times, yarn over, pull through all loops, chain 4, 3, 4. Insert your hook into the next stitch and make a slab stitch. Keep going. You should have 12 puff stitches. At the end of the row, chain 4, then make a slab stitch. So for crocheting next row, chain 3, 2, 3. Then make a single crochet on top of this puff stitch. Chain 3, then make a slab stitch. Then repeat again. Chain 3, then make a single crochet on top of the puff stitch. Chain 3, 1, 2, 3. Then make a slab stitch. Keep going. At the end of the row, chain 3, then make a slab stitch. Chain 1, cut the yarn off, then hide your yarn. Thank you for watching my video and for your time. Thank you so much for helping me to grow. Your comments and suggestions are very useful and informative for me. I appreciate your feedback. It's time to say goodbye. Have a good one. Bye.